Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish I could finally get rid of this belly fat, but the gym feels too far, too expensive, or just overwhelming? Well, I've been there too. That's exactly why I started doing simple home workouts. And within weeks, I began seeing real results. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy, effective home workout routine that can help you burn belly fat fast using just a few affordable tools, a resistance band set, a yoga mat, and a pair of adjustable dumbbells. I still remember my turning point. It was one Sunday morning, I stepped on the scale and realized I had gained 10 pounds since working from home. I felt tired, sluggish, and unmotivated. So I made a small promise to myself: no gyms, no excuses, just 15 minutes a day at home. I ordered my resistance band set, rolled out my yoga mat, and started moving. Little did I know those small daily workouts would completely transform not just my body, but also my confidence and energy levels. All right, let's get into the actual workout. This belly fat burner routine combines strength, cardio, and core movements, perfect for doing at home, no matter your fitness level. Step 1. Warm up. 2 minutes. Start with simple movements, jumping jacks, arm circles, and light stretches on your yoga mat. This gets your heart rate up and prepares your body. Step 2. Resistance band workout. 5 minutes. Grab your resistance band set and perform squats, standing crunches, and side pulls. Resistance bands are fantastic for toning your abs and burning fat because they activate multiple muscle groups at once. Step 3. Dumbbell circuit, 5 minutes. Next, pick up your adjustable dumbbells. Do Russian twists, shoulder presses, and weighted lunges. Even light weights will help increase calorie burn and define your midsection. Step 4. Core finisher, 2 minutes. Finally, lie back on your yoga mat and do bicycle crunches, leg raises, and plank holds. These will set your abs on fire, in a good way. According to Harvard Health, combining strength training and cardio-based movements like these can significantly reduce belly fat while improving metabolism. But remember, consistency beats intensity. You don't need to work out for hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily can make a huge difference. And here's the secret. Make your workout environment comfortable. That's why I love using my yoga mat, resistance band set, and adjustable dumbbells. They make every session feel like a mini home gym. Over time, my energy went up, my stress went down, and my belly fat started to disappear. If I can do it from my living room, you can too. So if you're ready to start your own home fitness journey, check out the tools I personally recommend in the description below. I've linked my favorite resistance band set, yoga mat, and adjustable dumbbells right there using my affiliate link. Try this workout for a week and let me know your results in the comments. I'd love to hear your progress. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and fitness videos every week. This is Life Biz Success, helping you build a stronger, healthier you, one workout at a time. See you in the next video.